day everyone, I am Leslie Jane Tiaya of BEC2. For today's video, I will discussing about fingerprint classifications. Fingerprint classifications compose of 6 divisions, which are primary division, secondary division, subsecondary division, final division, major division, and also K divisions. What is fingerprint classification? The sum of the numerical values assigned to the even numbers of the fingerprint chart represent the numerator, and the sum of the assigned value to odd numbers represent the denominator, plus the pre-established fraction 1/1 applies the whole pattern on. In primary division, these are A has value, which are W means plain whirl, D means double loop whirl, X means accidental whirl, C means central packet loop. And these are also a no value. E means plain arc, T means tented arc, R means radial loop, U means ornal loop. Numerical value is constant in every fingers, and this portion are right fingers, and this portion are left fingers. Finger number 1 and 2 has numerical value of 16. Finger number 3 and 4 has numerical value of 8. Finger number 5 and 6 has numerical value of 4. Finger numbers 7 and 8 has numerical value of 2. And finger number 9 and 10 has numerical value of 1. Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 are numerators. And odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 are denominators. So, we have an example here. The numerator are even numbers. Finger number 2 is W, plain whirl. It is belong to whirl family. Since it is belong to whirl family, we should put her 16. Next is finger number 4, T, which means tented arc. Since it is not belong to whirl family, we should put 0 here. Next is finger number 6, U, means ulnar loop. Since it is not also belong to whirl family, we should put 0 here. Next, R means radial loop. Since it has no value, we should put 0 here. And lastly, finger number 10, A means plain arc. Since it is not belong to the whirl family, we should put 0 here. Denominator are odd numbers. So finger number 1 is R, means radial loop. Since it is not belong to the whirl family, we should put 0 here. Next, finger number 3, U, means ulnar loop. So it is not belong to whirl family. We should put 0 here. Next, finger number 5, radial loop. Since it has no value, we should put 0 here. Finger number 7, D, means double loop whirl. Since it has value, we should put 2 here. And lastly, finger number 9, W, means plain arc. Since it is belong to the whirl family, we should put 1 here. Let's add all the numbers here. 16 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, it equals to 16. Then, let's add the numbers here. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1, it equals to 3. The plus 1 here is constant. It is because in order to avoid zero result, if there will be an absence of an word here, we should add the numbers here. 16 plus 1 is equals to 17. And 3 plus 1, it is equals to 4. So, our primary division is 17 over 4. So, let's start the secondary division. When we say secondary division, it focuses on the right and left finger index, and it presented by capital and small combination. So, here are the letters are corresponding symbols to the pattern in the index finger. In plain arc, we have letter A. In tinted arc, we have letter T. In ulnar loop, we have letter U. In plain whorl, we have letter W. In double loop whorl, we have letter D. In accidental whorl, we have X. And central pocket loop, we have C. In small letter, the patterns that are included the rat family. R means radial loop. A means plain arch. T means tinted arch. The secondary division, your right index finger will serve as your numerator, and the left index finger will serve as your denominator. Your right index finger is plain whorl, so I put capital letter W here in numerator, and your left index finger is ulnar loop, so I put letter U in the denominator. After that, let's go to the thumb, middle ring, and little finger. So we have here a plain arc, so we should put small letter A here. In the third finger, we have double loop whorl, so it is not belong to the rat family, so we should have space here. Next is finger number 4, radial loop. Since it belongs to the rat family, we should put small letter R here. And in finger number 5, also belong the rat family, so we should put small letter T. So after that, let's move to the left finger, which serve as our denominator. Let's begin in the finger number 6, radial loop. Since it belongs to the rat family, we should put small letter R here. In finger number 8, since it is not belong to the rat family, we should leave it blank here. Finger number 9, since it is belong to the rat family, we should put small letter T. And in finger number 10, plain arch, since it is belong to the rat family, we should put small letter T here. So we just completed the secondary division. Sub-secondary division. It is done by ridge counting of the loop and ridge tracing of the whorl appearing in the index, middle, and ring finger of both left and right hand. Take note. The IMO system. I means inner, A means meeting, and O means outer. If you memorize the inner, you will know the outer of the said finger. Here the chart of the sub-secondary division, so just have to focus the index, middle, and ring finger of the left and right hand. In index finger, we have here a whorl that has 3 intervening ridges, so automatically it will be outer. Next is the double loop whorl. It has 18, so automatically it will become outer. Next is radial loop, and it does not have a value. So automatically put das here. In index finger, we have here the ulnar loop. It has 2 intervening ridge. Then since it is 2, we don't have to specify if it is above or lower below. So automatically omitting. Next is ring finger, the accidental whirl, that has 16 ridge count. According to middle finger, the inner would be 1 to 10. Automatically 16 is outer, so we have to put letter O here beside the capital letter M. Next is ring finger, which is a plain arch that has 5 intervening ridge. Since according to ring finger, inner is 1 to 13, so automatically 5 is inner, so we have to put capital letter I beside the letter O. And that completes the sub-secondary division. Final division. We have to focus on our 2 little fingers from the right side of the little finger. We just here. It has tinted arc that has 10 ridge count, so we will put 10 into the numerator, and the next is ulnar loop. Since it is ulnar loop, which means it does not have a value, so we need to put das in a denominator, and this completes the final division. Major division. Similar to sub-secondary division, to apply to the thumbs only, and ridge counting has been modified. In table A, we have here small, it has 1 to 11, medium, it has 12 to 16, large, it has 17 or more. While in table B, we have here small 1 to 17, medium 18 to 22, large 23 or more. In right, we have radial loop, has 22 ridge count, wherein accordingly the large classification has 17 or more. Therefore, 22 ridge count belong to the large classification. Therefore, we have to put capital letter L in the numerator. In the left side of our thumb, we have here radial loop that has 15 ridge count, and accordingly medium has 12 to 16. So we have to put capital letter M in the denominator, and that's complete the major division. And lastly, the K division. K division derived by getting the ridge count of the first loop formation appearing in the 10 fingers except the 2 little fingers, in case of absence of a loop. The first whirl will be ridge counted, following the rows of ridge counting a whirl under the final division. So since our first finger is radial loop, has 22 ridge count, so we have to put 22 in the numerator. So this complete our K division.